Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get bullet on the right side in Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to get bullet point on the right side. Go to the insert menu, then click the shapes drop down menu, then choose any shapes. Now I select the star shape, then press shift on our keyboard to create the stars properly, then press ctrl and shift and copy the star in the down, then go to the home menu, then click the draw text box option and draw 3 text box. Otherwise you can copy this text box, then write anything. Now I write this text, then select the text and increase the font size, then copy the text box and paste in side. Then change the text. Now we can see we get bullet point on the right side in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.